Good evening, ma'am. I am Sanket, scholar of Achiever Point, and I am talking about garden. Firstly, why should we come in garden? Name if you want in natural environment, air, peace, doing exercise, running, and more. So you can come in garden. And mostly people come in garden in morning and evening. Now I am talking about this garden. Name of this garden is Aggression Park, and you can see there are a lot of trees and grass plants, and this is very beautiful garden because here environment is very natural, and here is a path for running, walking, and many more. And here is a branches for sitting, and here is also arrangement for water and fitness, and there are many swings and sliders. Thank you.